So you can see create from a one-line prompt in few seconds. You either use it for personal use, for work, or for education. So we are using this for personal use. Then are we a consultant, or so when you're creating stuff like this, I'm a solo creator, just me to the 10. You can just use just me, then create presentations from scratch, from my notes too. So you can just basically select all these. Just basically select all this and you just continue. Then you don't, how did you hear about us? We don't really need all the story. So now pasting text, you can use this, you paste in the text here. We go to our Perplexity, we copy our prompt, then we go to Gamma, then we paste it here. Once we paste it in there, you see we've pasted it in here. What do you want the content? Generate from notes and outline. Summarize long text. Preserve this text, which is in your... So whatever you want to do with it, you pick. This, I don't know if you guys can hear me. Are you still with me? So that's what we do, just configuring our prompt. Once we configure our prompt, continue to prompt editor, then it would basically generate this for us. Now we want it to be, now you come over here and select if you want it to be concise or minimal, very short or extensive. You can decide. Please, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So we want it to be extensive, concise, or detailed. So we want it to be minimal. I don't like stories when I'm doing presentation and a lot of people don't like when you are presenting and it's full of stories. Then you choose the kind of title, the theme you want. I prefer this linear. Then if you want AI images or stock photos, is your choice. So I'm using AI images. Then AI model, you auto select either Flux. Which one should we use? I prefer Flux Fast. 1.1 is a bit much more better. Then we'll select this. Okay, that one is nice. So extra keywords, we don't need that. Then the format, presentation format, we don't need social page or document. Then the card design, okay, we default. Let's choose default. Then we are good to go. 10 cards. The number of pages, you can reduce it, you can make it more. You can reduce it, you can make it more. Or so let's just increase it to 10. Then we'll click on generate and wait for it to generate it for us. Okay, you see, we have only 3 cards, 20 cards in a day. So now we've used 10 cards. So it will be generating a presentation for us. Then we'd see the result it will give. Okay, you can see my screen. Okay, good. So yeah, so you can see it will generate this right till 10. So we have the last one, call to action. This basically will be very important to Jide. But Jide is a cybersecurity analyst here. So you made the first gamma, it shows customize this, blah blah blah. So you tell it to show me if you want it to show you. If you don't want it to show you, you can just okay. is background. I don't want to tell the story. Okay, let's go. You already have phone. Add a card after for this visual. So now we are done with this. Now, if you want to present it, if you want it to be in full screen, you can basically check it. You can check through it full screen, or if you want to edit it, if you want to remove something, if you want to add something, you can basically do that too. But if you're not doing that, you can just export your result and you are good to go. So that's it for this part. Just present
Is it
up.
downloadable?
Yes, it is. It is downloadable. It's downloadable. So you can see that it is this is the presentation here. So you just start presenting. You can save it as PDF, but it depends on your browser. On Chrome, you can publish to site. You can save a copy as template, but it's on Pro version. But if you're exporting it, once you click on export, you export to PDF or PowerPoint. So now I'll be exporting it to PDF, PowerPoint. So you can see it's exporting to PowerPoint. Then we'll just save it. So you see your PowerPoint is ready. The download should start automatically. Click here. If it doesn't start, you click here. But it should start automatically itself. So let's just wait for it to. It's taking time to start. Okay, exporting. Keep waiting. I'll close this and we'll email you the link. So they said they'll send the link to the email. They'll send the link to the email. So while we wait, you wait to receive it in the email, and that's basically that for that PDF. So we can just I'll share you the let me share you the message now. It is more than I can't share it here. But I'll share the prompt. Let me share the prompt that I used to get this as a document file, PowerPoint file, or something. And if you want to share, we can also share with anyone as export. If you want to export as PDF, like I showed you earlier, you can export it as PDF or as PNG. So it depends. Or if you want to post directly to LinkedIn, you can post directly to LinkedIn. So that's just basically it. And so any question, please? Please, are you with me? Can you hear me? Any question? I've sent the prompt, Jide. You can enter that in your Perplexity and do something related to that. So you can do this as
instead of sending prompts.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? I said instead of
go on.
From Perplexity AI, can one give the prompt directly to Gamma?
No. It won't give anything. You have to get the result on Perplexity AI before you can get the presentation slide. Yeah, before you can get the presentation. So yeah. So you can try out this prompt.
For Gamma, it's not only presentation, but I could see some other features on it.
Yeah, there are some other cool features. It could do a kind of animation text for your posting and all, but basically it's presentation we use it for. but you can try the other option out. Like you can try just play around it and just see what you can do with
Mm,
it. Mm. So
okay.
yeah. So that's all for tonight. If there's any question, just drop it on the group and let me know. We just take it up from there. So thank you. Good night, everyone.
Right.
Yeah, good night.